bed. Brown panda. Legs. Jimmy Russell's Limit Breaker. Animal, ha hey. Mid Texas, they took my dirt. Welcome back, Pokéboys. White Lion. Golden. What is golden? Albino peacock. Bro. We got some real fucking it's from fucking IRL shinies here. Red wolf. In Sweden we call that a fox. Imagine how much the sperm of that one costs. Albino killer whale. Albino whale. What is it in humans? White giraffe. Queen bee. I mean, that's a shitty comparison, right? You can find 10 fucking queen bees in one day if you want to. It's not that rare. Like, you cannot compare it to, because insects are just spawned by the fucking millions. Black penguin. Queen ant. Yeah, I mean. Yeah. Oh, wait. What was the most rare one? I bet it's some insect shit again. Albino lobster. 1 in 100 million. That's pretty rare.